Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to perform MAC address check of your TCL 605. Alright, so first we need to check what is our MAC address. So to do it we need to open up our settings. Once we are here, simply click on My Device. Now scroll down, click on the status, scroll down a little bit, and here we have our device Wi-Fi MAC address. Simply rewrite it or remember it. And now let's go straight into IMEI.info page. Alright, so now we are on the page. And now in this bar we need to type the IMEI number of our device. If you don't know how to check the IMEI number, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on this site, and I'm also showing how to find the IMEI number on your TCL 605. So if you want, you can look for it. Once you have typed it, click on Check IMEI. Now we have our TCL. Now scroll down until you find the basic checks. And now click on MAC address check. Scroll down. And now in this text bar, we need to type our MAC address number. And now click on Check MAC address. And now we have information about our MAC address. So we can see the company name, our MAC address, company address, the country flag, the OUI, is it private, border left and right, assignment block size, data of creation and data of the update, and we can also see the 10 MAC number, random MAC numbers, and we can copy each one of them by clicking on that icon, or we can copy all of them at the same time when we click right in here. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.